Here, they're always hiding. It's the first time they've been so close.
Because we're here.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Noah, do you see the tiger?
Yeah.
What kind of sounds does a tiger make?
Look, that tiger is
Huh?
going to pee.
What kind of sounds does a tiger make?
It's going peeping. It's going peeping.
Oh, it's peeping. Yeah, good job, tiger.
Why?
Sometimes you have to go to the bathroom.
I go peeping.
You do pee-pee sometimes too, right?
What are you doing, tiger? Stop peeping.
Noah, you like the tiger, Noah? Noah, you like the tiger? Carter, you like the tiger?
Yeah, he's nice.
Oh, it's a nice tiger, right? I think that's a she. It might be a she. That's a girl tiger.
Next time, you guys the best shot, but you're on the floor.